Hi friends! Today we're learning all about farm animals. Have you ever been to a farm? If you have, nod your head yes. If you haven't, nod your head no. Let's get started. I'm going to say the animal's name and I'm going to need you to make the sound. How's that sound? Let's get started. This is a cow. Can you say cow?
Cow.
Friend, say cow. Good job. Can you make the sound of a cow?
Moo.
Excellent, friend. Say moo. You sound just like a cow. This is a pig. Can you say pig?
Pig.
Good job, friend. Say pig. Excellent. Can you make the sound of a pig?
Oink.
Friend, say oink. Good job. This is a sheep. Can you say sheep?
Sheep.
Friend, you try. Say sheep. Perfect. Can you make the sound of a sheep?
Ba. Ba.
Friend, your turn. Say ba. Excellent. And we have a horse. A horse. Can you say horse?
Horse.
Horse. Friend, your turn. Say horse. Good job. What sound does a horse make? Friend, can you make the sound of a horse? Good job.